Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can turn on data saver on TikTok. We all know that watching videos on TikTok consumes a lot of data. So guys, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can be able to reduce your data consumption so that you can use those data to do other things like browse your internet and also socialize on other social media platforms. So guys, if you want to know how to turn on those data saver on TikTok, make sure you watch to the end of this video. And also, if you're new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment, as that will tremendously help grow our YouTube channel. So guys, without any further ado, let's get started. The first step that you need to take is to tap on your TikTok app to open it. So guys, once your TikTok app opens, what you have to do is to tap on your TikTok profile icon. You can see it at the bottom right corner. You tap on it. Then you tap on the three horizontal bar at the top right corner. Tap on it. Then you tap on settings and privacy. Tap on it. Then under your settings and privacy, you scroll downwards. So guys, under the cache and cellular, you tap on data saver. You can see there, that's the second option. You tap on it. So guys, this is where you actually do the magic. By turning on this data saver, you'll be able to reduce your total data consumption while you're watching your TikTok videos. Let's get to read what is written here. They said, reduce your data consumption when using cellular data. Videos may be at a lower resolution or take longer to load, but this won't apply when you're using Wi-Fi. So guys, what this means is that when you turn on your cellular data and you're watching TikTok videos, by toggling on this data saver, your data consumption will be reduced drastically. So guys, let me go ahead to toggle it on. So guys, you can see I've toggled it on, and this is how you do it. So guys, I believe you've got value from this. If you did, make sure you like, subscribe and leave a comment. And also, if you're new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification so that whenever I release a new video, you're gonna get notified. See you in our next upload. Bye bye, peace.